Hello everybody, it's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. Shamrock Wreath form from Dollar Tree. We're using deco mesh from from Dollar Tree. Take your deco mesh and you kind of put it around this center, the one that's raised. And then you're just going to take a piece of wire, and I'm just using Dollar Tree wire, floral wire, and put it through the deco mesh and around, and then just twist it like a bread tie. Just gonna pull your deco mesh up. See how I've got it pulled up? I've got it like wrapped in half, and that wire is in the middle, sandwiched in between it. You just pull it up and push it. And I'm going to wrap tightly around the stem. So I'm just putting some glue on the very bottom of the flower, and then I'm just going to stick it in there. Isn't that cute?